Quick update on my Ekyro garage door opener. Hey Alexa, open the garage door.
What's your voice code for garage door?
As you can see, I've had this installed in my garage for quite a while and had no issues whatsoever. Ekyro, Wi-Fi garage door opener, or you can use Alexa just like you saw, or Google Home, whatever you have. It works fantastic. You just attach it to your garage door, a couple of wires, quick contact, and you're good to go. And you can open your garage door, close it with your phone. So if you have a package coming or you want to open a door for somebody, you have total access, which is fantastic. I love this item. It works great. You use your phone, you can use your app, you can use Google, you can use Alexa, you can use everybody. It just works. This is what it looks like. So I just want to give you an update. I've had this, geez, about over a year now, I think, and I've had not one issue at all. So I highly recommend this if you're looking for a garage door opener. I did a full review, full unboxing, so hopefully you can see all that as well, give you some information, but I'm just giving you an update. And the response has been fantastic. I've even bought a couple for my daughter and absolutely love them. So I appreciate it so much. These are fantastic. I recommend them. Thanks for watching.